Masa Israel Teaching Fellows is a 10-month program that offers young Jewish individuals from around the world the opportunity to immerse themselves in Israeli society while making a meaningful impact through teaching.
You actually get to live in Israel and fully experience the day-to-day life here. So that really meant a lot to me, to actually be here with Israelis and get in touch with my roots and really experience it.
With MITF, you get to invest in yourself and take time out of your routine to try something new.
Teaching is really nice because I get to be with kids and really interact in Israel. And I could major in psychology, looking at different career options with that.
They know that the teacher fellows are a prize. English is hard for them. They know that someone will help them, someone will take them out, someone can see them. I mean, it's a win-win situation, I think, for all of us.
The people are really friendly. You kind of walk down the street, go down the shuk, and the neighbours always say hi. And they also love hearing that there are people from America, from England, teaching English because they don't have so much exposure to native English speakers. So everyone's really friendly.
Choose from one of our 12 cities to teach and live in.
During the fellowship, we are committed to supporting you in all parts of your journey. You will receive Hebrew classes, a monthly bus pass, a monthly living stipend, full coverage of your apartment rent and bills, and even $1,000 reimbursement towards your flights.
Definitely a good balance between teaching and having the freedom to experience Israel on your own. You're not tied to doing like a 9-to-5 job. You work half a day and then you really have the freedom to explore the country and see it for yourself.
In addition to teaching, you'll have opportunities for career advancement initiatives in any industry through weekly volunteering placements chosen by you.
Through Masa, I was able to make a lot of incredible connections and do a lot of great networking. I actually got the job that I have now through the connections I made at Masa.
Invest in yourself and make a difference with Masa Israel Teaching Fellows.